The 2028 Aston Martin has been completely reimagined into an ultra-aggressive grand tourer that perfectly blends British luxury with race-inspired styling. From the front, the slammed stance, massive wide-body fenders, blacked-out honeycomb grille, oversized carbon fiber splitter, and sleek LED headlights with subtle purple accents create a breathtaking first impression that looks straight out of a premium racing game. Moving to the rear, the sculpted carbon fiber diffuser, performance exhaust system, and ultra-low suspension give the car an incredibly powerful and planted stance while maintaining Aston Martin's elegant design language. The side profile is pure automotive art, featuring dramatic flared arches, deep dish performance wheels, and a rich candy purple metallic finish that shines like liquid glass under the luxury showroom lights. Inside, the cockpit surrounds the driver with handcrafted purple leather, premium carbon fiber trim, advanced digital displays, and refined craftsmanship that delivers the perfect balance of performance and sophistication. The rear cabin continues the luxury experience with beautifully stitched leather seats, ambient lighting, premium materials, and first-class comfort that reflects Aston Martin's timeless attention to detail. This isn't just a modified Aston Martin. It's an exotic masterpiece that combines breathtaking design, luxury, and aggressive performance into one unforgettable wide-body build.